Hello friends, today we are at Mississauga Drive Test Center. We are going to go to G2 test route. They have got two routes. Both routes we are going to go to one by one. At the end of the video, I am going to show you how to do the parallel parking and back parking and three-point turn one by one. Watch that part also. And if you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Let's go to Mississauga G2 test route number 1. You have to park in a parking lot, and after examiner will tell you will go left here. Before starting, make sure check both sides. Take a left, look around. So many pedestrians are walking around here usually. Just look around everywhere, and then take left here. And watch for all the pedestrians, all the cars coming from the side. And when you pass through this area, this is a very narrow lane. Be careful. Keep on the right side. And as snow on the sides, and so many pedestrians are walking around here. Make sure don't go too close to them. Give them their space. Don't go too close to the pedestrian, and go slowly around here. And speed bumps are here. Pedestrians are here around here. So other cars are also here. So be careful around in this area. And this is stop sign. That's only for you. You have to stop there. You have to look around here and stop completely at the white line. Completely stop here. Look around both sides. No one is coming. We can go straight there and keep on the right side of the road. Next stop sign, we will take a left. We'll take a left here. Stop sign. This is always stop sign. You have to go to the leftmost side. Completely stop at the white line. Stop completely. We are first. We will go left here first and take left here and go to the leftmost lane, and then mirror signal blind spot and change to the right lane. And from the next traffic light, they will take you either left or right. In the route number 1, I am going to take you left. Route number 2, I will take you to the right. Mirror signal blind spots, change it to the left. And then again the examiner is going to tell you take left from the traffic light. In the route number 2, we will go to the right side. Take left here. You have to stop at the white line. Light is red. And stop here completely on the white line. And check both sides. Everything is clear. Yeah. And the traffic is going on there. No traffic behind us. Traffic on the side. When there's a red light, don't keep on checking at the red light. Check everywhere around there. Look around. Anyone coming from the side? Check left. Check right. Check front. Check back. Check back every 5 seconds. We should know what is going on behind us. Look around. Yeah, cars are coming. Our light is red. Keep on checking around. Everything is clear. It's nice, sunny, bright day. Look around everywhere. Yeah, their light may turn to yellow soon. So keep on looking around there. Just keep on checking. When you're standing here, don't keep on staring at the light. Keep both hands on the steering all the time. Look around, look on the side. Anyone coming? No one is coming from the side. Everything is clear. Yep. Everything is clear from the sides. Good. And our light is going to turn to green. Yeah, light is green. And no one is coming from the front. I can go to left here. And when you take left here, go to the first lane here. And speed limit is 70 on dairy. Then mirror signal blind spot, speed up, and then change it to right. Go to 70, mirror signal blind spot, then turn off indicator and put it on again. Don't change 2 lanes with the 1 indicator. Change 2 lanes to the right, one by one. Keep in the rightmost lane, like this. Speed limit is 70 here. I am between 65 to 70. And we will take a right from the next traffic light. This is St. Barbara Boulevard. We'll take a right here, enter from the corner, go to the right lane, check blind spot also. And light is green, I can take a right. If the light is red, we have to stop there. But now light is green, I can take a right here. Yes, like this. And we'll take a right here. This is St. Barbara Boulevard, and speed limit is 40 in these streets. Just check all the cars on the driveway. Keep an eye on that. Who can come to your way? speed bumps, be careful, slow down there. Look around, look all the driveway, any car coming from the side. Speed limit is 40 in the whole area is 40 speed limit area. Check both sides. Yeah, check around, look, everything is clear. Yes, everything is clear. Look around, no one is coming. Yeah, so always stop sign, completely stop there. Stop completely stop, and check both sides. Everything is clear from the both side. We are the first one, we will go. And see that like one car is standing on the side, we have to touch little bit yellow line, give indicator, and you can pass this car and then come back. Okay, look around, look all the driveways, everything. Look, any entrance coming to your way. Yeah, check everything around there. Yeah, good. We'll take a left from the first street. Left here. And in these streets, they're going to ask you like this 3-point turn, parallel parking, uphill and downhill. For that, like parallel parking and 3-point turn, I have made another videos. You can check into that. I'm not going to teach it right now here, but they will ask me in these streets: parallel parking, 3-point turn, uphill and downhill, back parking. You can watch my another videos. I can I teach very nicely in that videos. So you will drive in these streets. Speed limit is 40 here. Keep on checking around the driveway. Keep on checking if any kid is there. Right now roads are a little slippery because of snow and ice. Be careful around here too. Don't get skid. Check all the intersection. Everything is good. Yeah, everything is good. I'm keeping in the right post line. Yeah. See that like roads are a little bit blocked because of snow. So be careful around there. Okay. Don't go too close to the standing car. Keep 1 meter distance from the standing car. If somebody coming too fast, that's okay. Keep an eye on them. Yeah, good. Check both sides. Check everywhere. Yeah, next stop sign, there's only for us. We will take a right here. Yeah, this is a two-way stop sign. You have a stop sign, other side has stop sign. Middle they don't have stop sign. That's called two-way stop sign. And there's no line here. I can stop before the crosswalk. Check anyone there. No one is coming. We can take a right. Two-way stop sign is when stop sign for you on from the opposite side. Middle they don't have stop sign. That's called two-way stop sign. And if they say on the stop sign, if there's a white line, stop at the white line. If there's no white line, stop before the crosswalk. So then check everywhere. And there's no where sometimes there's no crosswalk, no white line also. Then stop at the edge of the road. Then still you can't see. Go further ahead, check, and then go. So don't just like stand anywhere on the stop sign. Some people think they have to stop in front of the stop sign. Not like that. You have to stop at the white line. Like this one here. Complete stop. It's all way. We'll check both sides. Yeah, good. Everything is good. We can go. Speed limit is still 40 here. We are driving at 40, 35 to 40, 37, 36 like that. And check both sides. Check both sides. Yeah, the next traffic light they will tell you take left, don't touch yellow line, enter from the white line, where are signal blind spot, and enter from the white line, don't touch yellow line here. Yeah, like this. Light is red, we have to again stop there, complete stop. And the next road is dairy, and we have to stop here. Say red light, check both sides, keep on checking. Check one car is behind us too. One car is like nothing is in front of us. We have to wait for the light to turn to green. First look around everywhere, check. Don't just keep on looking at the light. Keep on checking on the side. When you take left, who can come to your way? When their light is going to turn to yellow, green. Their light is green right now. Right? Our light is red. Plus, keep on turning your neck around there. Be actively check it. Not only test, other ways also. Like when you're doing normal driving, when you're standing at the intersection, don't start taking rest or something. Just keep on checking actively. Driving is a 100% full-time job. So when you keep driving the car, make sure you keep your hands on the steering all the time. Right? Some people is just relax, they start using phone in the like intersection. Don't do all those things. Actively check everywhere. Their light may turn to yellow soon. Check around, check everywhere. Yeah, they have still 10 seconds. I can check it. Yeah. So like keep on looking around, but when your light turn to green, keep on checking around there. See anybody can come to your way. Yeah, their light is yellow now. Our light will turn to green soon. Yeah, good. Now check both sides before entry. Take left here. Again, leftmost lane here. Speed limit is 70 on day and speed up as soon as possible. Mirror signal blind spot and change it to right. MSB. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to right lane. Turn off signal. Mirror signal blind spot again, change it to right. Don't change two lanes with a one indicator. Turn off the indicator for 1 second, then put it on again. Next traffic light, we will take a right again. There's a Marine Drive, and we'll take a right from this traffic light. You have to enter from the corner. Yes, like this. And light is green. Nobody's coming in my way. I can just take a right here. Good. Take a right here. Okay, see now it's a one lane only. This one lane will become a two lane after that. So when it become a two lane, by default you have to come to the rightmost lane. So right now it's one lane. Speed limit is 50 here. Keep in the rightmost side. Next stop sign we will take right. Mirror signal blind spot. Keep in the right lane. It's always stop sign. We'll stop completely here. Yes, stop completely at the white line. Complete stop. No one coming. We can take a right here. Yeah. Take a right here. When you pass through this intersection, just check both sides. Just check both sides. Yeah. And this area, be careful. There are so many pedestrians around here. Cars around there because of snow. So many pedestrians walking on the road. Be careful. Give them their space. And see this sharp turn here. Be careful. Keep on the right side. So many cars are coming from the other side also. Keep on the right side. Don't go too much wide here. And after coming here, sometimes like examiner, they ask you back parking also. So just for that back parking, you watch my another videos also how to learn it. And I will park straight here, take left here. And for the back parking, you watch my another videos. I have like I teach you like how to do that parking, back parking, everything in that video. I'm just going to park here. And after coming here, examiner will tell you, congratulations, you meet Minister standard today. You pass your test. Congratulations, you will pass your test. And for the video, this parking things, you can watch my another video, parallel parking and back parking, how to do it.
Let's go and do parallel parking between the two cones and go beside the first cone. Keep 1 meter distance from the cone and look for the first cone from the back window like this. See cone in the back window, then turn one time to right side, only one time, okay? And then come back and see the same cone behind the right mirror, like this, yes, like this, and then turn all the way to left, and here you go. Your car is parked between the two cones, like this. That's it. That's a perfect parallel parking between the two cones. Let's do 3-point turn today. First pull over on the right side, check mirror, signal blind spot and pull over on the right side at the right place like this. And then look around everywhere, everything is okay, no one coming, put left indicator on, look around and then turn left. Go until you can see the curb under the left corner like this. Yep. And then put right indicator, turn all the way to right and come back. And when you can see the curb under the front corner of the back window, yeah, like this. Right? Then put left indicator, look around and then turn left. That's it. This is what called 3-point turn. Parking number 2. Keep your car as far as possible from the parking lines and keep your shoulder in the middle of number 1. Exactly in the middle of the number 1 and keep your car as far as possible. Then turn fully whichever parking lot you are going to go. That's it. Your car will go straight into the parking lot. Look how nicely we came inside. That's it. Okay, we are going to park in number 1. Okay, you have to park here in number 1. Skip number 2. And make sure go in the middle of number 3. Exactly your shoulder should be in the middle of number 3. Yeah, match your middle with the parking lot and then turn fully left or right, whichever side you're going to park, that side, and look around and look at the side where your car is going. And here you go, your car will be in the middle of the parking lot of number 1. See, when your car is coming straight, and after that straighten the wheel, yes, and go back straight inside. And look back, when you're going back, always look back so that you don't hit any other car in the back there. Always look whichever side you're going. See how nicely we are into the parking lot.
Hope you like my video. If you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. My name is Adarsh Chawla from AIAC Driving School.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more tips and resources to pass your G or G2 driving test in Ontario. And don't forget to share with your friends also. Thank you.